Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Today I am doing a whatnot box. From TB's Hobbies. His link will be down below. Yes, it's an M2 box. I like these boxes. Pretty cool. Could be a surprise in there, but there ain't no surprise in there. But Jelly Beans, I'll be right back. I'm gonna rip this box open. Hey Jelly Beans, I am back. I am sorry, TB's Hobbies, because he's been waiting for a shipment from me for God knows how long. But money's, well, I can't say money's been tight, but it's been time consuming because of my work, my job, drive school bus, and I am what you call a cover driver. It's like a substitute teacher. And yeah. So it's hard for me to get to where I have to be. Yes. Alright. Oh. What is this? What is this? It's a kilo of cars. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah. There's something I'm kind of excited about in here. It's beautiful. I have the yellow one of it. And if you think I'm talking about the Datsun pickup truck, then you are absolutely wrong. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here is a 1972 Ford Explorer. Yes, Ford Explorer used to be a pickup truck. It's a F-250 Ford Explorer. That's pretty sweet. I like that very much. Alright. Here goes a 1975 Chevy G10. Oh, this is sick. That's very nice. I like them. Very nice. And here is the Moon Eyes Go With Moon 1970 Chevy El Camino. I have a yellow one of this. This is freaking hot. Hot. I like that a lot. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. Oh my gosh. So hot. I like that very much. Thank you very much, TB's Hobbies. Woo! That's freaking smoky. Ground pounders, moon eyes. Look at that, man. Oh my gosh. I'm excited about that. Sorry. Not sorry. So thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And please check out these links down below. Mine, where you get yourself up to a $15 in-app credit. And TV's Hobbies, his link down below for his whatnot and for his YouTube.